What's up, traders? It is Tuesday, June 16th. Market opens up in around 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Got my Colombian natural coffee today. Market's kind of pushing up on not Fed Powell, the Fed's news by Jerome Powell that they're doing $750 of stimulus. We'll see how the market wants to react. Yeah. All right, I just took a quick position on Roku. I'm in at 108.09, looking for a quick scalp back to the upside here. All right, guys. I was busy with family stuff, but I don't know what I recorded previously, but I took a long position on Gilead for kind of the break here and for a new high, and it did. I took 10 shares, covered 8, so I have 2 left. I'm gonna see if it wants to pull back and then push back up. Market looks to be kind of consolidating, getting ready for a new high potentially. And then I took the quick little short scalp on Roku for $1.80. It looks like it pulled back up, but again, in hindsight, you never know. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Let's see if Gilead wants to pull back and hold. But I'm going to pause it here and resume if I find something else. All right, I'm going to take 1 share short on Tesla here. I think it wants to come down to make a new low. Never mind, you cannot short Tesla. Okay. You can't short Tesla. I don't know why I just got rejected. That's interesting. Huh. All right, well, that's that. Let's see what wants to happen. All right, I'm going to take 20 shares short here of AMD. It looks like it wants to come down for a new low. I like the 5-minute chart, try to move higher and failed. Market's moving down as well. I think AMD wants to come down, and if it does, then I'll stand to make a nice little profit. Let me try to move up the level 2 so you could kind of see what I'm looking at. There we go. So now you guys can read along with me. If you direct your attention to the right of the screen, on the left you have the buyers, those people who are interested in purchasing the stock, and on the right you have the sellers, people who are looking to get rid of their shares and kind of sell the stock. If the stock moves down in price, then I make money. I'm betting that the stock price will go down. What I liked about this was that if you look on this 5-minute chart in the middle right here, if I kind of extend this out, there we go. So let's see, it came down here, right? Had a little pullback. We know markets move in twos, and now it should get ready to go back down. So all the people who missed the first move, they probably started taking short positions in here. I mean, that's the ideal spot at the top part. And now people who had FOMO, who want to get short, just entered. So hopefully there would be enough selling pressure to drive the stock down in price. It's got some nice kind of support right here at the bottom. It's at 55, kind of 15, 55, 10 level. We'll see if it wants to break. And yeah. So just to note, if you look at the screen, the numbers are changing quite rapidly, quite fast, and that just means there's a lot of volume on the stock. That means other people are actively trading it, and other people are seeing the same thing that I'm seeing, hopefully. Okay, we kind of got the moment of truth for young AMD stock. See if it wants to kind of fall down and essentially screw some people over who went long and reward the people who went over short. But it's looking like there's some nice kind of downward pressure. Again, critical kind of break is this level of support, 55.15 or so. If you're completely new, by the way, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. It takes 2 seconds. You can do it with me. Boom. It helps me out. Every subscription for me is another step in my journey towards financial freedom. I do this with all my real money, and I do it for you. So all I ask in return is for you just to hit that, because it really helps me out. But yeah, if you're new to trading, essentially this is the stock AMD. I took a short position, meaning I hope it's going to go down in price, and if it does, I make money. And right now there's a lot of buyers kind of supporting the stock at around $55. You couple that within 4 minutes at 10 a.m. Eastern, Jerome Powell comes on to speak supposedly. So we'll see how the markets want to react to that. But I think now is the moment of truth. I want to see the sellers come under 55.10. Watch the sellers on the right side. Watch them come under 55.10. Some buying support. Okay, watch them come under 55.10. Lots of buyers at 14, getting pushed down. 16, okay, some good support again. It's at 55.14 level. Let's see the sellers come under 55.14. On the 5 minute, still's got that potential to kind of come down, but if it doesn't make the move down I want, I'm probably just going to hop out of the stock. It's being a little bit stubborn here. Market's somewhat moving higher. All right, I'm going to cover this soon. I'm just not liking what it's doing. Yeah, I'm going to cover here. All right, I'm out. Let's see if it was a winner or a loser. Small 80-cent loser. Not the biggest of deals, but it just wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. 5 minute charts looking okay, but it just wasn't doing what I wanted to do. Yeah, I mean, look, you can't either it works out or it doesn't, you know? Beyond Meat looks pretty interesting here. I might take a starter position on Beyond. Yeah, that looks pretty interesting. Okay, I'm gonna take a position. Let's see how much. See what we got here. 153.15, 154.9. All right, I'm gonna take. All right, I'm taking 2 shares short of Beyond here. Never mind, I can't do that. All right, well, happens. All right, well, a good thing I got out of AMD because take a look at it, kind of ripped back up nicely here. All right, I think that's it for today's video. To recap, we traded Gilead for a quick, let's see, quick $3, and then we traded Roku, I believe. Yep, $1.80. Not that big of a deal. Quick day. I do have an internship and a job, so I can't do this forever, but that's it for today's video. Again, if you enjoyed it, comment down below if you traded today, what you traded, how you did, any questions you might have on why I trade certain stocks. Again, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. It takes 2 seconds and it helps me out a lot. But with that said, I will see you mañana.